5,000 US dollars per kilogram. This is not gold. It is not a gemstone. It is a fungus that grows underground in the forests of southern France.
Every Friday morning from November to March, the truffle market of Richeranche in Provence opens before dawn.
This is the Périgord. Limestone hills, oak forests, cold winters, hot, dry summers. Truffle is not a plant. It is not a vegetable. It is the fruiting body of a subterranean fungus, Tuber melanosporum. Beneath every successful truffle grove, an invisible network of fungal threads, called mycelium, runs through the soil. There are over 200 species of truffle worldwide. Only 2 command prices that have made them legends. The black
Everything about truffle resists human ambition. It grows where it chooses, when it chooses.
Tuber melanosporum begins as microscopic spores in the soil. Those spores germinate into thread-like mycelium. The mycorrhizal partnership works as a biological trade agreement. The truffle fungus wraps around the oak root cells and
A truffle farmer does not plant truffles. A truffle farmer plants oak trees and hopes the young oak trees used in truffle plantations.
In specialized French truffle nurseries, young oak seedlings are inoculated at the root level with Tuber melanosporum.
Soil chemistry is as important as mycorrhizal inoculation. Tuber melanosporum requires alkaline soil, pH. And Eulis. The mycorrhizal partnership between Tuber melanosporum and oak is extremely fragile. Drought, the brûlé, French for burned, is the truffle hunter's most important surface clue. Tuber melanosporum secretes allelopathic compounds that kill competing plant roots. A truffle farmer plants inoculated oak trees, prepares the soil, manages the orchard, and then waits between 7 and 15 years.
Modern truffle farming is a blend of medieval patience and contemporary soil science. Young French truffle farmers now use soil DNA testing.
Truffle orchard management means permanent restraint. No deep tillage, it destroys mycelium. No chemical fertilizers, they alter soil pH. No irrigation in summer.
Truffle farming cannot be paused. Miss 2 consecutive years of soil management and competing fungi colonize the root system, displacing Tuber melanosporum permanently. The soil beneath a productive truffle orchard is one of the most complex ecosystems in agriculture. Dozens of fungal species compete for the same oak roots.
These samples show excellent colonization, indicating healthy truffle development, and the acidity levels on the lower field.
In early summer, if conditions are right, if the winter was cold enough, if spring brought adequate rain, if the soil pH has...
Counterintuitively, truffle farmers welcome summer drought. Tuber melanosporum requires a period of heat and water stress in July and August.
October. The brûlé rings are sharpening. Below the ground.
From June to December of Thraita. 6 months of complete darkness, complete silence, As the truffle body grows through summer and autumn, It undergoes a color transformation invisible to any human eye.
And here we see the crucial connection, the mycelium linking the truffle directly to the oak root.
Ground-penetrating radar and CT scanning technology have recently given truffle researchers their first non-invasive view of developing truffle bodies in November. The truffle bodies have been growing for 5 months. Tuber melanosporum is approaching maturity. A ripe tuber melanosporum truffle releases over 50 distinct volatile aromatic compounds, including dimethylates. Before trained dogs, French truffle hunters used pigs and watched for truffle flies. December. Tuber melanosporum reaches peak ripeness. Underground in the darkness, the spore A single highly productive truffle oak in peak season may have 15 to 20 mature truffle bodies growing simultaneously. 200 kilometers from the Périgord, in the Langhe hills of Piedmont, Italy, a different drama unfolds.
Dark clay rich, more complex than the pale Périgord limestone, the specific combination of clay, sand, and rip.
There is no brûlé above a white Alba truffle, no fly hovering, no surface disturbance of any kind. The Lagotto Romagnolo is the only dog breed in the world officially recognized for truffle hunting. Bred in the Romagna marshes of northern Italy for centuries,
Truffle dog training begins at 8 weeks of age. The puppy is first introduced to truffle scent through play, associating the smell with reward and game.
A working truffle dog covers an extraordinary amount of ground. In a single morning session, a Lagotto Romagnolo.
A dog's nose contains up to 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to 6 million in a human nose. For volatile...
Oh yes, right here. Good job, buddy.
It's the moment of discovery. The dog has confirmed what its nose has been telling it for the past 30 seconds. There is a ripe truffle here. The excavation is done by the hunter's hands, never by the dog. Even a small surface cut dramatically reduces its mark. The reward is immediate and generous, every time, without exception. The training bond between a truffle hunter and a Lagotto. White Alba truffle hunters in Piedmont traditionally hunt at night or before dawn, not from superstition, but from secrecy. The White Alba truffle and Tuber magnatum's has a smell unlike anything else in nature. Truffle experts describe.
Bravo, bravo, sei un buon cane. Ecco un piccolo premio per te.
At the Richerench market, buyers include Michelin-starred restaurant representatives, private collectors, export agents for London.
Quality assessment at a truffle market is entirely sensory. Color of the interior marbling, pure black with clean white veins, indicates full maturity.
After a morning hunt, the Lagotto Romagnolo sleeps. Its nose, more valuable to its owner than any. Fresh truffles require almost no processing. Gently brushed under cold water to remove soil from the wart crevices, dried with a clean cloth. Cullets. The largest tuber melanosporum truffle ever recorded weighed 1.277 kilograms, found in Périgord in 20.
The greatest truffle recipes are the simplest ones. Scrambled eggs, pasta, risotto, butter.
White Alba truffle is never cooked. Heat destroys its delicate volatile compounds within seconds. It is always shaved raw, directly at the table.
Every October, the city of Alba in Piedmont hosts the International Alba White Truffle Fair, the most important truffle event on Earth.
Experienced truffle users store their truffles surrounded by raw eggs in an airtight jar. The volatile aromatic compounds of tuber melanospora.
Almost all commercial truffle oil contains zero truffle. The truffle aroma in truffle oil is produced by a single synthetic.
In the farmhouses of Périgord, truffle is not theatre. It is not ceremony. It is Tuesday dinner.
A $300 truffle, consumed in 3 shavings, gone in 3 bites, the most expensive food experience relative to quantity that exists in the human diet. The Périgord's black truffle harvest has fallen dramatically since the 1900s. In 1900, France produced over 1,000.
In 2010, an international team of scientists published the complete genome sequence of tuber melanosporum.
See here, the pH spiked slightly after the last rain?
Yeah.
That aligns with what I saw in the older section.
Yep.
We should adjust the irrigation schedule based on this data.
The next generation of Périgord truffle farmers is the most scientifically informed in history, using soil DNA testing, satellite.
As climate change warm traditional truffle regions, it simultaneously opens new territory. Whatever happens to truffle orchards, to climate, to science, the Lagotto Romagnolo will still be needed.
In the Langhe hills of Piedmont, the knowledge of where white truffles grow is the most guyvet information.
After every truffle is found, the soil is replaced. The mycelium network is left undisturbed. The oak roots are not touched.
The black truffle season in Périgord runs from December to March. The white Alba truffle season runs from October to January.
When a truffle is extracted from the soil, it releases millions of spores. Those spores settle back into the limestone
From a limestone forest in Périgord, found by a dog at 7 a.m., cleaned, weighed, boxed by 9 a.m., in a Lyon restaurant kitchen by 2 p.m., on a plate by 8 p.m.
Somewhere beneath the Périgord limestone, right now, in total darkness, a truffle is growing. It has been growing since June.